Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have Vivo Y58 5G smartphone and you want to hide your apps, then this is the video for you. You don't have to download any third-party app. You can simply do that by using the settings of this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on privacy. Now come to the bottom. There you will see the option of app hiding. Click on this. Firstly, you have to set your privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password, or you can set a pattern as well. To change the password type, simply click on password option. Now select your desired password type. Here select pattern. Now draw a pattern and then verify your pattern. Now you have to answer 2 security questions. So in case you forgot that password, you can restore it by using these security questions. Simply answer your security questions and then click on done. Firstly, enable this view hidden app. Now select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide files and my Facebook as well. And then click on confirm. Now these apps are hidden from your smartphone. You can see, you can't see any files and Facebook as well. Now to access your hidden app, simply come to home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers. Then it will ask for that privacy password. Simply draw your pattern, then it will show the hidden apps. So that's how you can hide and access your apps in Vivo Y58 5G smartphone. If it was helpful for you, then like this video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.